Good morning, students. Let's see the continuity of D block. D block elements. In that we discussed about first transition series, that is 3D and their electronic configuration also. Okay. So now we go for second transition and third transition series. Okay. Second transition series. Second transition series are 4D transition series, 4D transition series. So what is the general electronic configuration of these elements? n-1 D 1 to 10 n as 1 to 2. Am I right? n minus 1 D. So 4D means what is the value of n? 4D means 5 minus 1. Am I right? Keep n value 5 here. 5s2, 5s2, keep n value 5. And 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, D 1 to 10. Am I right? 1 to 10. 5 minus 1 means 4D, 1 to 10, 5s2. Am I right? This is the outermost electronic configuration of 4D transition series. Is it clear, ma? So 4D means 4D and 5s. 3D means 3D and 4s. Is it clear? This is the outermost cell configuration of these elements. So we have group here, that is third B group. Clear? Third B, fourth B, fifth B and sixth B, seventh B and eighth group, first B and second B. So these are the groups, am I right? Groups. Third B, fourth B, fifth B, sixth B, seventh, eighth, first B, second B. Okay. Now this is third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, seventh group. In eighth we have again in eighth B 8, 9, 10. These all belongs to 8th. Okay. And this is 11th and this is 12th. Am I right? Clear up to? Okay. These are all the groups and period. Now we are in which period here? Which period here? We have 5s means what is the value of n? N is equals to 5. Am I right? N is equals to 5 means clearly we are in 5th period. What is the period number? 5th period in the periodic table. That is row. Okay, these are group, this is row. Now this is 5th period, these elements. Okay, clear up to? So let's see now. So now that 4D transition series, 4D transition series, 4D transition series consists 10 elements. How many elements? 10 elements. Is it clear up to? 10 elements total. So now what are they? So 4D transition series from yttrium 39, the symbol is Y, and cadmium, that is the symbol CD, cadmium 48. 48 atomic number. Okay. So it starts from 4D transition series from yttrium to cadmium. Okay, up to 48 element. Okay, let's see. The first element is yttrium. The short trick is here. The short trick for remember the elements Y, Z, N, Y, Z, N, M, T, R, and R, P, and A, C. Y, Z, N, M, T, R, R, P, A, C. Okay, remember this short trick. So where Y means yttrium. Y means yttrium. What is the atomic number and its symbol? Its symbol is Y. Its atomic number is clearly 39. How much? 39. Clear? And next, after yttrium, what it is? Z. Z means here zirconium. What it is? Zirconium. The symbol is Zr. Zr for zirconium. So 39 after 40. 40. Atomic number is 40. And what about N? Niobium. Niobium. So it is Nb. Nb. Okay. Niobium. And next one is M. Molybdenum. Molybdenum. And next one T means tantalum. Tantalum. Okay. And R means that belongs to 8. Ruthenium. Ruthenium. And here this is first B and this is second B. Okay. 11th, 12th group. Clear up to everyone? So after tantalum, R means ruthenium. Okay, ruthenium, and R means rhodium. Rhodium. Clear? Rhodium. Molybdenum, Mo, and tantalum, Ta. Ruthenium, Ru, rhodium, Rh, rhodium, and P means palladium, palladium, that is Pd, and 11th one is that is argentum. Argentum, we call it is silver. Silver, Ag, argentum. Latin name of silver is argentum. Okay. And last one is cadmium. Cadmium, its symbol is D, and its atomic number is 48. 48 and okay, so 40 and its atomic number is 41 and its atomic number 42 and 43 and 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Okay, clear? These are the elements which are present in 4D transition series. Okay. So what yttrium to cadmium. So let us discuss here what about their electronic configuration here. So for yttrium, what is the general electronic configuration here? 4d 1 to 10 5s2 for 4d transition series. Okay. Now we have the noble gases, that is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Helium 2, neon 10, argon 18 electrons, krypton 36, xenon 54, radon 86. Am I right? These are the atomic numbers of noble gases. These are noble gases or inert gases. Noble gases or inert gases. So let's see now. What is it is 39. Nearest noble gas is for 39 means krypton. Am I right? Already 36 electron is there. So I can write as krypton. What is the krypton number of electrons? 36 electrons. Okay. After krypton, so what is the electronic configuration? 5s and 4d right here. 5s 4d. The electrons first enter into, this is the general electronic configuration of 4d transition series. Here I wrote already 36 electrons. Now the electrons first enter into s orbital. Is it clear, students, all of you? The electrons enter into first 5s, then go for 4d. So now write 2 electrons here. 36 plus 2, 38. 38, then how many electrons we need for getting 39? So 1 electron. So krypton 36, 38, 39. Clear? Krypton 5s to 4d 1. 1 electron in 4d orbital. Okay, it is clearly transition elements. Why? Because d orbital is not completely fulfilled. Am I right? Clear? Not completely fulfilled. Okay, is it clear up to? So single electron is there at d. So it is transition elements. Next come to zirconium. Zirconium 40 it is clearly. So simply we can write as krypton 36 up to krypton and 4d 5s. Clear? For s how many electrons we have? 2. Then 36 plus 2, 38. 38 and d we have to write 2 electrons. Clear? 36 plus 2, 38. 38 plus 2, 40 electrons. Clear up to? So it is up to general electronic configuration, the general method. After niobium, we have the different electronic configuration from here. Okay. Is it clear, students, up to everyone? So what is the general electronic configuration of d block elements? So what is transition elements here? Transition elements means here at least 1 electron in d, at least 1 electron in d orbital. Am I right? Clearly, at least 1 electron clearly in d. Then we consider this is so if full d orbital is fully filled, then what happen? It is not a transition elements. Is it clear, up to everyone? So yttrium and zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, where ruthenium, rhodium, palladium and argentium, cadmium. This is the short trick YZ and MTR. Okay, and RPAC. Okay. So small correction here we did. So this is the technetium TC. Don't tantalum. This is 5D. Technetium. Technetium, write as TC here. Small correction we did. TC 43. Okay, technetium, ruthenium. So next come to here. Up to here we have the different electronic configuration here. Come to first here cadmium. We need to discuss about this one. So in the cadmium we have how many electrons here? 48. So this is the 12th B and second B and 12th B, 12th group. So let's write electronic configuration, that is krypton 36, krypton, then 4 5s 5s2 and 4d10, am I right? 4d10. How many electrons here we have? 36 plus 2 38 plus 10 48, clear. So the d orbital is completely fulfilled here, am I right? And s is also completely filled here. D is completely fulfilled. So in 4d transition series, 4d transition series or second transition series, what happened in the last element, that is cadmium? Okay, in that cadmium we have 10 electrons in the d orbital. Okay, so here it acts as not a transition element. Why? Because d orbital is completely fulfilled, am I right? So this is not a transition element, remember this. Why? Because d orbital is completely fulfilled. Okay, fulfilled orbital. So next come to argentum here. In the argentum, this is can write as krypton, okay, and 4d and 5s. Okay, so how many electrons here? Krypton 36, clear. In the 5s, how much? 2 electron. 5s 2 electron. 36 plus 2 38. 38. So 4d8, let's see, it's important one here, silver is also. So now count it, how many electrons here? 36, 36 and this is 30. So write 9 here, 9. Now count it, 36 plus 2, how many electrons? 38, clear. 38 plus 9, 47, clear. 38 plus 9, 47. So after s orbital there are 9 electrons in d, am I right? So we have the concept stability. So in the d orbitals, how many electrons are there in 4d? This is 4d, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. It is not a stable. Why? Because it is not completely fulfilled or completely off-filled. So now it is like this, then it gets stability. Why? Because fulfilled d orbitals are very, very stable, or completely off-filled d orbitals are very, very stable. So but 3d 9s means we get such kind of electronic configuration here. Suppose it is 4d10, then it become highly stable. So for this purpose it is unstable here, 4d9. 4d9 is unstable here. In that particular case, okay, so now one electron from shifted to this d. Then what is the electronic configuration? 4s1 3d10. 4s1 3d10. Clear? 4s1 3d10. So let's see now how many electrons? 36 plus 10, 46, 1, 47. So what is the reason for this type of electronic configuration? In first B and 11th group for silver, argentum, Ag. So for getting stability, that 4s electron shifted towards in which 4d. Actually it is 9 electrons in the 4d, but gain 1 electron from s, it is become 4d10. Clear? 4d10 5s1. Okay. So note it down for stability purpose. Stability right here. Completely fulfilled d orbitals, that causes for stability, am I right? That causes for stability. Okay, and here we consider this one, krypton 36 4d 5s0 here, 46, 36 plus 5s 0. So this is also very special here. So what we are expecting generally, 36 4s to 4d8, am I right? 36 after the electron enter into 5s2 and 4d8 actually. But here the two electrons shifted towards exception condition, we call it is 4d10. Remember this, for electronic configuration of d and f block elements are need to remember, and more practice we need. Okay, so here 4d8 5s2 actually, 4d8 5s2. These two electrons enter into d for getting stability. So if you clearly observe this, there is no electron in 5s. There is no electron in the 5s in the palladium. Okay, clear? What is the general electronic configuration of palladium here? Krypton 4d10 5s 0. You should need to remember that. So what is the purpose of actually it is 4d8 and 5s2. The two electrons can migrate into 4d10, 4d orbital. That becomes 4d10. Okay, clear? Remember this. And come to here, for it is 41, am I right? 41. So write krypton 36, write first 4d and 5s, write one electron holding here also, you should remember. So count it now. So 36 plus 1, 37. 37 means then how many electrons we need? 37, 4 electron, 40, 41. Okay, in S exception condition, in S orbital only one electron is there. So 4d4, actually 4d3 5s2, 4d3 5s2. Okay, first electron enter into S, then that means it is 5s2 4d3. Okay, so but one electron enter into 4d. So 36 plus 4, 40, 41. Remember this. Okay, and for molybdenum, MO we taken as. So now here krypton, up to krypton 36 electrons are there. Then 4d 5s, here also 5s1, 36 5d 5 now, 36 plus 5, 41 plus 1, 42. Clear? So specific electronic configuration. For technetium it is krypton 36 4d6 5s1. Okay, krypton 36 4d6 5s1 36 42 plus 1 43. Okay, for ruthenium krypton 36 4d and 5s1, here also 36 plus 1 37, that means 47. Okay, 36 plus 7 43 plus 1 44. Clear? And for this one krypton 36 and 4d 5s1, 36 plus 1 37 plus 8 48. Okay, so you should need to remember here, in 4d transition series or second transition series, 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here. Okay, then after in S 1 1 up to 9th group. Then for palladium there is no S electron, remember this, completely 4d10. Okay, 4d10. Clear? 36 plus 10 46. Okay, and come to here, for argentum silver only one electron in S, remaining electrons at D, totally 10, completely fulfilled. Okay, and come to here 5s to 4d10, completely fulfilled. Okay, remember this. So then we have doubt. So 4d10 is there. I will ask the questions regarding this. Okay, is it clear, students? So yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium and palladium, silver. Okay, and cadmium. These are 4D transition elements. Okay. So n value represents period number. For getting 4D we need n value 5, n minus 1, D, ns. This is the short trick for remembering this Y, Z, M, T, R, R, P, A, C. Okay. Now write the question. Among 4D transition, among 4D transition elements, which element has no electron? Which element has no s electrons in its valency cell? In its valency cell, that is in 5s. Okay, 5s. Answer is yttrium. Option A. Option A is yttrium. Option B is cadmium. Option C is palladium. Option D is ruthenium. Option D is ruthenium. So which one has no electron in s orbital in the given electronic configuration of 4D transition elements or second transition elements? Okay. So now which one? Clearly we have palladium. Palladium. This is the answer. So there is no s electrons here. Am I right? No s electrons. So now which one it is? So remaining all are having s electron, either 2 or 1 in s orbital. Clear up to everyone? Right. Next question. Not here, not a question. Technetium is an artificial element. Technetium is an artificial element. That means it is made in laboratory. Okay, that is artificially we prepared this. So technetium is an artificial element. That means we prepared in laboratory. Okay, in the synthetic method. Remember this. Technetium is an artificial element, and Az, silver. What we call it is silver or argentum. This is the Latin name. Az is best metallic conductor. Metallic conductor, that means electrical conductors. So silver can allow the electricity very easily than all the transition elements. Remember this phenomena. So best electrical metallic conductor. It is a metal. Okay, clear up to now. Write the question. Which element is not a transition element in 4D transition series? Which element is not a transition elements in 4D transition series? 4D transition series. Tell me, can anybody? Which is not a transition elements? Transition elements means here options: yttrium, zirconium, C is cadmium, D is silver. D is silver. So which one is correct? Which element is not a transition element in 4D transition series. So I should need to remember here. So where the d orbital is completely fulfilled in neutral or ion state, then we call it is not a transition element, If you observe cadmium, two s electrons are there, and in the d completely filled orbitals are there, am I right? 5d10 means all the 5 subsets are completely fulfilled, am I right? 5d10, okay, 5d10, okay. So there is, suppose here cadmium, remember this, cadmium, what is the electronic configuration? So krypton 4d10 and 5s2, clear? This is neutral state, neutral atom, okay. So let's see, neutral atom or neutral state we call it is. Now suppose it's ion state, suppose it lose 2 electrons as cadmium plus 2. Suppose cadmium lose 2 electrons, then what happened? The electronic configuration krypton is 4d10 5s0. Remember this, the electrons first enter into s and also eliminate or remove from s also. Okay, remember this. So 4d cadmium plus 2 means how many electrons it can lose? 2 electrons. Clear, students, up to? So now the 2 electrons first eliminate from this s orbital. These 2 electrons are removed, not d electrons. Okay. So in the ions form also completely fulfilled d orbital. Here we have completely fulfilled d orbitals. Okay. For cadmium, its neutral state. And also ion state completely fulfilled d orbitals, clear up to completely fulfilled d orbitals, even in neutral or ionic, clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 electrons are there, total completely fulfilled. It is stable condition here, okay. So when the atom, the d block elements which is completely fulfilled d orbitals either in neutral or ion state, then it is not a transition element, okay. It is only d block only, and we call it is so now which element is not a transition element in 4D transition series? Clear, the answer is option C, okay. Clear, students, up to clear? Which element is a pseudo transition element in 4D transition series or second transition series? Remember this, 4D are both are correct. Option A cadmium, option B silver, option C zirconium, option D niobium. Okay, which one is option A? Transition elements also called as not transition elements. That means cadmium is not a transition elements, but it is a pseudo transition elements. Okay, not transition elements or pseudo transition elements, both are correct. So cadmium is not a transition element, it just act as a d block element, and also we call it is pseudo transition elements. Already we discussed about this, very important. Okay, did you get this reason? Next question. Which group element in 4D transition series or second transition series is a pseudo transition element? Pseudo transition elements. Okay. 12th group or second B, option A. 11th group or first B, option C. Third B group or first group, option D. None of these. Which one, ma? Can anybody? Which group element in 4D transition or second transition is a pseudo transition element? Is it pseudo transition elements? So which one? Pseudo transition elements. So what is pseudo transition elements here? This is the cadmium is the pseudo transition element. It is not a transition element. Okay. So this belongs to cadmium belongs to second B, clear? Second B group and 12th group. Second B or 12th group. This is the answer, am I right? Clear? 12th group or second B. Next question. Is silver or Ag transition element or not transition element? That means pseudo transition. Is silver transition element or not a transition element? Silver is transition elements or not? Where silver is present? In the first B or 11th group, silver is there. Let's see solution for this one. What is the electronic configuration? Krypton 4d10 5s1. Am I right? That is the electronic configuration of silver. Clear? So let's see. Now this is the electronic configuration of silver, which is neutral. Am I right? Neutral. That means number of electrons. There is no loss of electron. Remember that. Or no gain of electron. That is called neutral here. So if it is loss, as plus. If it is gain, what happened? Minus. Okay. So now Az is there. Now it is a neutral. In the neutral, there is a 10 electrons in 4D. I think we expecting silver is not a transition element. Am I right? In neutral state, there are 10 electrons in silver. In that 4D. It is completely fulfilled, am I right? That means we are expecting here silver is not a transition element. It is clearly pseudo transition element, am I right? But silver is a transition element, not a pseudo transition element. Remember that silver is clearly transition elements. How it becomes transition elements? In the ion state, as ion, silver can lose 2 electrons. Silver can able to lose 2 electrons. That means krypton 1 electron from S that is 5s0, 1 electron only. The second, it can lose 2 electron, it can able to lose 2 electron. 1 electron from this s, okay, and second electron from 4d9 electrons, okay. So 1 electron from here, 1 electron from here, okay, totally 2. Then 4d9, am I right? 4d9. So if you observe clearly, there is no complete filling of electrons in 4d9 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so not complete fulfilled. So Az is a transition element, not a pseudo transition. Very important. Clear, students? It can able to lose 2 electron. One is from S, another one is D. So in the ion state, there is single electron is there, unpaired electron is there, not completely fulfilled. Am I right? So in the ionic form, it exhibits as transition character. That means having single electrons. Okay, not completely fulfilled. So that property is called transition element property. Later we will discuss about clearly. Okay, remember this. Silver is a transition element. So actually it is appeared as non-transition elements, as pseudo transition elements. Why? Because in this state it is completely fulfilled. But in the ion state, there is possibility loss of 2 electrons. There is unfilled d orbitals are there. So this is the reason why silver act as transition element. Remember this point. But cadmium is 100% transition elements. Even it can lose 2 electrons, completely fulfilled d orbitals are there. Remember that point. Is it clear, students, up to? So, except cadmium, remaining all are transition elements. Except cadmium, remaining all are transition elements. Let us discuss here a short trick, MAP. MAP. M means here molybdenum. Molybdenum. Let us discuss about these 3 elements. M means molybdenum, where M means molybdenum MO. What is its electronic configuration? Molybdenum krypton 36, 4d5, 5s1, clear? 4d5, 5s1, okay? So 36, 37 and 42. Molybdenum is 42, clear? So now I am telling here this is stable. Why? Because 4d5 means okay, how many electrons in 4d? This is 4d. 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I right? 5 electrons are there in 4d. So it is completely half filled. That means highly stable. So in molybdenum we have completely half filled d orbitals are there. So is it stable or not? Clearly stable. Either completely fulfilled d orbitals or completely half filled, it is stable. Okay. So single electrons are there. There is no complete filled d orbital. So it is also act as transition elements. Single electrons are there. Okay. But it is highly stable. Why? Because half filled, completely half filled. Okay. Remember this. So in 4d transition, molybdenum has with completely half filled. So it is highly stable here. Next come to A. A means silver. Okay. A means silver. What about silver here? This is silver. Here it is 47. Krypton 36 and noble gas or inert gas, we call it is 4d10 and 5s1. Am I right? 4d10, 5s1. Let's see here. So in this case, 4d this one, 10 electrons are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, 5 2 is 10 electrons. So complete fulfilled. Am I right? Complete fulfilled 4d. So that means it is highly stable like molybdenum also. Clear? Here half filled, it is completely fulfilled. Half filled or completely fulfilled, both are stable. It is also stable. Okay. Next come to palladium. P means palladium here. Okay. Where P means palladium. Okay. What about palladium here? Write the electronic configuration. For palladium there is no electrons. That is in S. Krypton 36, 4d10, 5s0. There is no electron. Remember this. So here it is also completely 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Completely fulfill d orbitals. Okay, so that means stable. Okay, so these are the important points regarding to 4D transition. There is maybe most chances to ask the bits their electronic configuration and which one is completely off-filled and which one is completely filled, which is not a transition element and which is transition element. So remember that in cadmium, in 4D transition, cadmium is a complete pseudo transition element. It is not a transition element, but silver acts as a transition element like copper. Okay, clear mark to TC means technician. Remember this. That is the short trick. Y, Z, N, M, T, R, R, P, A, C. You have to remember like that. And next write the question. Which of the following are not a transition elements? Not a transition elements. Option A, zinc and cadmium. Option B, yttrium and scandium. Option C, zirconium and titanium. Option D, Hg and we'll discuss later, niobium and technetium. So which of the following are not a transition elements? So this is the answer, zinc and cadmium. This is the answer. Why? Because zinc belongs to, already we discussed, 3D transition series or first transition series, and cadmium is the last element, that is 4D transition series. 4D transition series, and second just we discussed about this. These two are belongs to second B group. Second B group or 12th group. Okay, 12th group. Okay. Sir, what about the electronic configuration? This one, krypton 4D10 5s2, and here zinc is, here it is 48, it is 30. These two are belongs to same group. Group number is second B or 12th group. Once see the periodic table. Okay, krypton and 45s2, and argon 18, clear, argon 18, 3D, this is 4D, this is 3D, and 4s2 3D10, 4s2 3D10, 18 plus to 30. So completely fulfilled, am I right? Suppose in the neutral state there is completely fulfilled d orbital, so not a transition element, Suppose Zn plus 2 means zinc lose these 2 electrons, then argon 18, 3D10. Even though in the ion sperm also completely fulfilled d orbitals, am I right? 4s0, these 2 electrons are removed. And suppose cadmium plus 2, in the cadmium plus 2 case, the electronic configuration is 3D10, 5, 4D10, this one, 4D10, 5s0. So even in ionic state also completely fulfilled d orbitals, am I right? So therefore zinc and cadmium which belongs to 12th group, clearly called as pseudo transition elements, not a transition elements. Clear, students? The comparison for third and 4D. Okay. Which of the following elements are not a pseudo transition elements? Which of the following elements are not a pseudo transition elements? That means transition elements. That is transition elements, not a pseudo transition elements, means transition elements here. Option A zinc, option B cadmium, option C copper, option D silver. Not a pseudo transition. We just discussed about zinc and cadmium. These two are pseudo transition and non-transition. Am I right? So this is not the correct answer. Now which one is correct answer? These two are the correct answer. These two are transition elements, that is not a pseudo transitions. What is the reason? So if you observe clearly, this copper belongs to atomic number 29 and it is 3D, and first B or 11th group. Clear? First B or 11th group. And come to here silver, we have silver, this is 47, okay, 47, this is belongs to 4D and first B or 11th group. Okay, what is the electronic configuration here? This is argon argon 3d10 4s1. Okay, here it is krypton 4d10 and 5s1. Okay, clear up to these are the electronic configuration. This is belongs to 3d transition, this is belongs to 4d transition series. Okay, general electronic configuration argon 3d10 4s1 for 3d, and here silver it is krypton 4d10 5s1. So if you observe here in the 3d and 4d completely fulfilled, d orbitals are there. So we are expecting these are non-transition elements, maybe pseudo transition elements. So that is wrong. So clearly these two are transition elements. Okay. So these are neutral, am I right? Both are neutral. Neutral means there is no gaining, no loss of electrons here. But when they are act as ions, Cu plus 2 means that is argon 3d9 4s0. 2 electrons are removed from copper. So unpaired d orbitals are there here. Single electrons are there in 3d. And for Ag plus 2 also, what we are expecting? Krypton 4d9 5s0. 2 electrons removed from silver here, suppose. So in this ionic state, they have unpaired d orbitals with single electrons also, am I right? Ions present. So in the ion state or neutral state, at least having unpaired electrons, then it acts as transition element. So clearly these two are transition elements. Not a pseudo transition. Zinc cadmium only. Here pseudo transition, not a transition. Okay. So these are clearly which of the following elements are not a pseudo transition elements. That is transition. Which of the following elements are not a pseudo transition elements? That is transition elements. Pseudo transition, not a pseudo transition elements. Now what is the answer? These two are the answers, both copper and Ag. Okay, clear students? Again we will meet on tomorrow.